The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Hi everyone to a new live session today, and we're gonna talk about the different charts and how you can read it like a pro, and the candlesticks and the candles, how you can see the potential where you can enter your trade and exit your trade exactly, and reduce the noise, the price volatility. My name is Mohammed Ali. I have over half a decade's experience in trading, and I gotta help you to get better at trading with me. All of that on the channel Trade with the Trade Simple with Mo on, and everything is free for you. So let's dive into it. Let's go to Trading View first of all. Let's go to Trading View and see how we can see the different charts types. Okay. The first types is the candlestick type. Okay, let's choose anything. Okay, and let's choose, like, for example, Apple stock, because this is one of the famous. Up here in the trading view you can choose between the all funds, future, forex, crypto, commodity, and everything you want. And you can go over to stocks and choose the Apple stock over here. You can write the name or the ticker. The ticker is a short form of the name, the company name, and all the stickers are being registered at the SEC. And let's choose a new layout and call it YouTube layout. So I have done over here some analysis, and let's go to a new layout so we can simply see what's happening and what's going on. So closes, closes, and over here in the setting, usually I have the extended hours, and let's blend the extended hours away. So what you simply, when you go over here up there, that you can choose between different types of the charts in the trading view. Up next to the time frames, you can choose the charts. Usually what you see on the stock market or on the Google, when you Google any stocks, you're gonna see the line charts. It's a very simple way where the price is visualize the close price. On the markets, usually there is different times while the stock is being traded, which is called the pre-market. This is the pre-market, and there is aftermarket, and the hours, the normal hours, uh, a market are being traded. So usually what you see, okay, I think what you see over here is the hours between the 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. So in those hours, usually the price are being presented in the charts, and there is different time frames, the pre-markets, where the market before is opening, each company or each broker is defining it's the pre-market differently than others. Sometimes it is between 7 o'clock till 9 o'clock, the pre-market, and the aftermarket 4 o'clock till 6 o'clock. In the Eastern time, of course, in the New York Exchange and Nasdaq and so on. So this is the line chart, and the line chart is taking the close price. Okay, it's taking the close price where the brush gun is taking the close price over here where the market closed, and forgot all about the pre-market, aftermarket, and opening price, etc. There is He's taking only the close price and presenting it, and different charts can present the price movement differently. So when we go over to the candlestick chart, okay, the first type we're gonna talk about is the candlestick chart. And when you go to the candlestick chart, a candlestick, okay, let's Google candlestick so you can see it very well. A candlestick has an opening. A candlestick has an opening. Let's use a better one. A candlestick has an open high, a low, close, open, and close. And the colors indicating if the sellers and the buyers, indicating towards if in this time frame of, for example, in 1 hourly time frame, in 1 hour, were there more buys or sells? And the rates indicates there were more sales than people were buying. So there were more supply than demand. And you can also in the economic refer it like this. There were more demand than the supply for the red colored. There were more there for the red color, sorry, there were more supply than demand, and for the green color there were more demand than supply. So people bought more stocks, then the people sold the stock in this 1 hour time frame. And the high is meaning the highest price in this time frame of 1 hour, the price got to it, and the lowest price the in this time frame got to it. And the open is this meaning the opening time, this candlestick is open the exact minute, for example, at, let's say it is now 14 o'clock in the Eastern time, and at 15 o'clock the stock opened at the price of $100, went up to the highest of 120, went the lowest to 90, and closed at $108. And that is why the anatomy of the candlestick is looking like. And this is being presented over here. When you look into it, this is the same stuff. There is our low. Okay, let's choose a beautiful one, and which we can simply choose it. Okay, simply explain it. So here was our low. Okay, let's choose another color. How about we gonna choose a white color this time, and let's us delete this, delete, and let's choose the white color. Okay, in this candlestick, okay, what's happening over here? Very interesting. Okay, interesting. I think something happening over here is not important. Here is our low, and here is our high. What's happening over here is not the usual way how this works. Okay, let's try again and see if the problem is fixed. Yeah, the problem is fixed. It was just, I think, cookies problem over here. So when we choose here, let's delete everything. The drawings, when you click on the right mouse, you can remove the drawings at once. And let's go again to our candlestick over here. We have our low down there, the low, and here is our high. Here is our close time. Okay, I don't know what's happening. And here is our opening time. And this is happening in the 30 minutes. When you look up there, here, it is at the 30 minutes. There is 45, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and you can even customize it as you like. Up to the 1 hourly, you can do whatever you like. Okay, when we go up here, okay, we are now in the daily time frame, and always it is repeating the open, low, close, and everything. This is indicating us more detailed way to see the demand and supply and to draw our support and resistance level at the better levels than usual. So when we switch to the line charts, you're gonna see, okay, it is not very clear where we can put our support and demand levels, where we can intra trade or exit trades or look for potential trades. So it is very difficult in the line chart, and line chart is very easy to understand where the price currently at and how you can see the future. And in the candlestick, it is very easy to read more detailed way in depth what is happening. And still there is a lot of missing information over here when we look at the daily candlestick. Okay, it is a lot of information still missing here. Like for example, where should I enter a trade? Where should I exit it? Or or otherwise said, where the trend line is going. So it is very noisy over here, like many reds, many greens at the same time. But when you switch to another chart, for example, like Heikin Ashi chart, the noise is being reduced. For example, I use the Heikin Ashi charts to see where the current market trend is going. This is a simpler way to see the market trends more clearly. For example, when the candlesticks are red, this means we are in a downturn trend market, and to look for potential short positions. And for example, I see this is happening. You can do a short position over here. For example, something like this, and take this short position, and you will be profitable. And to see, it is only for visualization to understand where the market trend is going. When you are enter a trade, I usually use the candlestick charts. And when you go over to a next example, Renko chart, it is also a beautiful way to see the to see trends like Heikin Ashi. Is to see the market trends, what is happening. Is taking dots and presenting it in the blocks, and these blocks present if there were more demands or more supply in this time frame. Exactly, as you see, it's very easy to read the trend. And when we go back to our candlestick, okay, Was it the candlestick? Okay, candlestick over here. There is a lot of noise in it. The rates, the greens going up and down, too much volatility. And if you're a long-term trader and you are looking for long-term investment, a swing trade or long-term, it depends. Many refer to long-term trades. An investor would say a long-term trade for him is between 3 to 10 years. This is a long-term trade. This is an investment for him. An investment is usually taking a long-term perspective. And a trader is someone who is like to sell while the market is going up, like to buy while the market is going down, or short the position. A short position means when the market is still going down, you make profit. A long position simply said while the market's going up, you make profitabilities. And of course, it could be this right now complicated because many people are used to the concept, okay, a buy low, a sell high. For example, many people already know, okay, the price currently here, I gonna buy it here and I gonna sell it up. And the long position is the same. It is the same. Buying low, selling high. And for the short position, what you are doing, okay, you buying up here, okay, here is our buy, okay, and you predict the market is going down, so you take a short position. So while the market is going down, you make money. You sell it over here. Okay, sell over here. So you made profit from up here to here, profit. This is your profit. So let's remove the whole drawings over here. And as I said, the candlestick is beautiful way to read in depth what is happening. And when we go back to our previous stocks, and of course I posted this PDF on my LinkedIn, and when you look at my LinkedIn, you're gonna see this PDF. I posted it last week, and you can see it in more details. Another way to read the charts, usually I do it less, but it's quite effective while you are going here. Volume footprint. Volume footprint takes exactly the candlestick charts and tell us what is happening in this specific time. Let's take the daily time frame so it is easier to see it. So it is telling us a candlestick, okay, as we said, okay, what's happening again? Okay, let's say it like this. Candlestick. Okay, it's quite interesting. The brush is doing this. Let's me check out if any setting is this on. Okay, not important. Okay, let's remove this and say, let's say this is a candlestick having a high. Why is this happening? Very interesting. Any charts? Volume. Let's close the volume down there. At the end of the discussion today, I'm gonna trade and show you some trade positions and trade strategy at the end and tell you how you can use the volume indicator, this indicator down there. Okay, when you go to indicators here, you can put the volume indicator and you're gonna see it down there, and how you can use this volume indicator to your advantage and into a trade. And as we said, the candlestick have a high, low, open and close, and everything the same here. The candlestick, okay, let's go up there. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, as we see here, we have our candlestick currently is going up and down. Let's choose a different candlestick. Our candle right now is going up and down and it's telling us there were 300k stock bought and 461 stock sold, and at the price of this level. And where is gone? Let me mark the level. Okay, at this price level, there were a lot of people bought than people who sold, and at this level, there were more people who sold than bought. So it is like support resistance. You can see it, but when you zoom out there, it is down there here where you can see the delta, the difference between they're subtracting the overall sold from the overall bought, and you can see how much the delta is. The delta is telling us were there more buys or sells in this candlestick. Okay, and why this is important? In this way, you can see a market trend in the candlestick directly. So you see accumulation. Many people or many investors they they buy at the large quantities, and those orders need to get filled. And hedge funds, they are not like retail traders buying it at 100 buying 100k shares or less. They are buying a lot of shares, many shares, millions of shares. This is in billions and billions dollars worth of shares buying it, and those all orders need to fill, and somebody need to sell it, so it is get filled. Or other way around, the sentiment of the investor could change, and the sentiment of the retail trader also could change and lead to a downtrend market or a short-term downtrend line. So while we are seeing over here, okay, exactly accumulation. Well, let's watch over here. Okay, I hope that the brush is gonna work this time. We had 53k. Then after that we had 200k, 200k, 300k, 140k, and lastly we had 34k, and suddenly, okay, we had a we had 160k. The hedge funds and other institutions, they can manipulate the price, but they cannot manipulate the volume easily. And the same also, sometimes it needs time till the volume kicks and the price change kicks into it. So suddenly we had 34k went. We started with 33k, and the market went up a little bit to 34k, 234k, then went suddenly to minus 160, and then this was your indication to take a short position. So let me take the chats. If anyone is right now is watching and have any questions. Okay, no one have a question. So let's move on. Okay, as I told you over here, you can through this volume footprint, you can see the downtrend market is coming before even it happens. And that is a powerful indicator or chart visualizations way, so you can be in advantage and trade like a pro. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on to the next indicator. Okay, let's take some 30 minutes time frame. And this is called the volume session chart visualization. The same as the volume footprint. In this time, you can see exactly, okay, where the price is going up and down. So let's choose the 1 hourly time frame. Okay, let's choose the 1 hourly time frame. This is how I am doing it. I'm taking the red line as my support or resistance level. Okay, there is a lot of resistance over there. I'm looking also at different indicators also to indicate for me, and for also I'm taking over here again a support level. Okay, and when the price is coming down there, so let's draw a path. So I'm expecting when the price went was up there and went down here. So when this is next time it's go up there, it's gonna be a resistance again over there. So I'm already prepared for it. So when next time it's happening, I'm expecting that the market will go down. Okay, interesting way the drawing is today. This is a little bit different. So let's go down there too. So this session volume chart as is quite interesting, but it's better than using all the session volume charts. Use the candlestick charts, go to indicator and session and go and search for session volume profile. While you are doing this time we got it at the better visualization way, and you can also see it better. Okay, here it was again. Okay, exactly. Did you see what's happened over here? So we had over here a support and resistance level. Okay, why I'm calling it both, because we cannot predict the market what it's gonna do, but we can predict the next move through the support and resistance level because the human psychology is repeating itself. So what you see over here, okay, we had some support resistance level. The price went from down here, okay, went down here, went up there, and went up there and pushed down there, and it had quite a support level here. And after that, the price went down. Okay, so what you could have done, okay, you could have went to the 5 minute time frame. Okay, as we said over here. Okay, so we said the price went down here and had some support over there. We had our support. Okay, I always need to change to the brush. We had our support over here. So you could expect the price will move up from here. So exactly it's happened, and you could have an easy trade. So let's us remove all the drawings and go back which candlestick we still have to cover today. And we have the bar chart, and this is a bar chart. This is not exactly my favorite. The bar chart is similar to candlestick charts, telling you the opening and the close. Let's also remove the indicator, telling you the opening, the close, and the high and low in much more simpler way. Bar chart, let me show it to you. Bar chart trading. Okay, let's go over where's okay here. Exactly over here. So as I said, there is high and low, open and close. It depends on the color of the bar charts, and while the the small, if the color is red, okay, let's keep it simple. If the color is red, it's meaning there were more sales than people bought the stock, and when it's the color is green, then this is mean there were more buys than people sold the stock. So let's show you again the candlestick, the high and lows, and close and open, and it is very simple. And as we said, the open where the market's open, the close where the market close, and high and lows where the highest price have been betted on, and the low, this is the lowest price in this time period have bet when the stock price went to there. So we have already covered all the candlesticks and all the charts visualization types. So you are now more informed about the charts and how you can use it and have even clearer entry and exit strategy. And my personal preferences is the candlesticks or Heikin Ashi. I'm also using the Heikin Ashi sometimes to have a more clearer trend lines where I can see where the market is going into it and in which market we currently at. And I'm also using the indicator itself, the volume session profile indicators to have more clear support and resistance levels. And through the support resistance levels, I'm using also the volume to see if it's predicting it. And sometimes also I like to use the volume footprint to see where the current sentiment is going through the volume changes. And while we are watching over here, okay, let's close this one. We are right currently at the 5 minute charts, okay. We can see clearly, okay, let's take this period over here. Let me show you a practical way how you can read it, okay. Let's take it over here and go back there, okay. We can see, okay, the price. We had 14k, 7k, 2000k. Okay, it has went down from 14 to 7 to 2 to 6k. So it is an indication the price will move up. Okay, for me, this was an indication the price is moving up because less people are selling. The pressure went down of the sellers and they have no more sales. So I see the first green candle with high power 9k suddenly 9k 9k approximately again 9k point 5 8k and after the 8k we had a delta of 200, then went to the 5k and went to 3 went to the 4 minus 4,000. And at this time, I would have taken my trade. Let me show you the strategy. Okay, I would have taken my trades over here. A trade here where the price indicated for me over here and aimed at the next level, which is, I would say, here because of the support resistance level. Okay, and I would say it like this. And when I suddenly saw that the candlestick, okay, the candlestick and the volume went down to minus 4k, I would have closed my trade and waited to see what's gonna happen. And after that, I saw 11k, which is indicating me a continuation of the trend line, and after the 11k we had a 40k and went minus 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 and 200 minus, and for me it is indication the price going down. And as we see, the price went down exactly as I said, and we had higher volume, and this is quite great to use the foot volume chart. And the session volume is also a great way to see how where the support and resistance level are. So you can use both only the visualization types of the charts and have entry and exit trades. In conclusion, said charts are grateful way to see where you can enter the trade, where you can exit the trades. There is different types of the charts, which is line charts for simple visualization, bar charts, and we have candlestick charts we with open, close, high, and lows. In the time frames, we had the footprint charts, we had the volume footprint, and we had also the Heikin Ashi charts, we had the Renko charts. Let me show it to you, Heikin Ashi charts, and we had the Renko charts for Heikin Ashi for trends, and Renko charts also to see the trends, where the current trends are. And there is also different types of charts, which is, for example, the point charts, and it is putting the points on it, what's happening. Personally, I don't use it. I don't think I gonna need it, and too much charts. This is not good. And thank you very much at this point. And if you have any question, please share your question down there. Okay, in the box charts right on your side, you can write down. I'm writing now. Share your questions here, please. Okay, let's wait few seconds. Sorry about that. While we are waiting for your questions, let's see what's gonna happening over here over the markets. Today was interesting day. Let's close this. Let's close this. Apple, the whole industry is the technology industry is green, approximately green. Had some movement, upside movement. Okay, let's take the weekly. This week wasn't a great week for the whole S&P 500 companies. And when we look today, today was just normal, a quite two-sided sentiments with some positive and negative. People are selling and buying at the same time. So I see some confusion in the market and cautious in the market. And when we go up to the monthly, have done some good job. Let's go up down to 1 hourly. Nothing is happening. The market is closed. The last hour, nothing happening. And um, this website, Time is, you can go to Time is and see which is currently the times are in the different markets. And you can go also on not Time is. Let me check it over here. I have here my all websites. And when we go not Time is market openings here, let's see. Okay, the trading hours, right? I forgot the name, the trading hours. And currently, when you go to the trading hours, they have in the all the markets when it's open. I like this. I like sometimes to look at it, and because I'm currently in Europe, and the time frame in Europe is a different. And when you see here the New York Exchange open, for example, the Nasdaq or the S&P 500, where it currently is being traded, it's going up and down there. Let's use the 4 hourly. Is okay. The market is quite cautious. And when you look at the fear and greed index of the stock market, the fear and greed index by CNN. Let's wait a second. Currently, today, it is quite fearful, the market. The last week was neutral, as you can see here, and we had some also in the last month, some some fears. Sorry. And when we look at the investor sentiments, let's like the AII is quite telling us a lot of information. Let's look at the investor sentiment, and we have 24% from the last week, the 4th of September. Approximately 25% of people had some negative, and we have an average of 31%. This means the market is more bullish than it should be, and 30% is neutral. Um, and they have asked the investors, are you postponing any investment moves until after the November election? No, I'm sticking to the long-term plans, and 60% of them have long-term plans, and the election referred to the Donald Trump and previously was Joe Biden, and currently Kamala Harris. And this is quite interesting to see what's gonna happen to the market when the election ends, and of course it's gonna have a huge impact on it because the sentiment and the whole regulations is gonna change. So let's see also the crypto market, what the crypto market is doing. And when we look at the crypto markets over here, we have 1% up there, and we have the Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ethereum is 0.33%, and lately the Bitcoin went quite down from when we look at it here, went from the 70k in August to down to 57k, and in the last week, the last 2 weeks went down from 62k to the lowest was 54,000. And when we go back over here and see the market is doing quite cautious also because the crypto market is correlated with the stock market, and when we go down here, Avalanche is up to 1% approximately. Dogecoin, the Elon Musk coin, I call it the Elon Musk coin, is minus 1%. Toncoin is of the Telegram. Cardano is having some issue, I heard. BNB is approximately 1% of the Binance coin, and XRP is also nothing happening over there. Shiba Inu, Chainlink, Polkadot is minus, so the market is quite cautious. Let's let's check if any questions there. There is no question, so I would say if there are no more questions, let's start trading. Let's put some trades and see where the market is going. I will put some nice music for us. Let's choose, let's go over here and start with the crypto markets and see the charts over here. Let's close everything. And we have done this. Close the times. The crypto markets is 24/7 opened. This is not regulated market. And let's go over here and choose our Bitcoin. So this is directly connecting to my paper trading. And in the Bitcoin, okay, let's draw some lines, take the daily, and in the daily, let's use this one. Okay, and we're gonna look at the different support resistance level while, and also to see where the current trend is going and see the volume of it. And let's put the music. If you have any question, you're allowed to ask me on the right side, and I will be more than happy to try to answer it.
I don't wanna be without you. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna be without you. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be.
come and show it. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me, we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling. Ooh.
I wanna be a real one day. Heaven leaves me up from under. Wishing I could be somehow stronger now,
So I can find a way out of pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me.
wish that I could be
Stronger, so I can be a real one day. So I can find a way out of pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me. Wish that I could be stronger, so I can be a real one day.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
the night. Don't try to change my mind. Baby, please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. I must do what's right. I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night. Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Can't be waiting. Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Would you be waiting? My days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past. Finding reasons to smile and to laugh, and whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid. memories might let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time.
Hold me, lover. I need you, lover. 'Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Me and myself ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts, hearing the sound of my broken heart. Dreaming of me now, the way I do.
face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go. Somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. Nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, nostalgia, don't you ever slip away. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, what if the years turn into gold? The longer we live, yeah, the more we grow. We could be 100 miles apart, but it's never far. Yeah, you show me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. No, nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, nostalgia, don't you ever slip away. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Saving soul.
We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. We both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a damn. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you to tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away. I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you to tell me now how much you're into me. Oh, right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a damn. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. We both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a damn. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic.
I've got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Jungle of love. We're running in the jungle of love. Listen to my conditions, I got you on my mind. You were stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion races, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle
I'm
of
taking it
love.
but I just want more. I'm taking it slow. Just go with the flow.
Jungle
I'm
of
taking it
love.
slow. My knees on the floor. I'm begging for more. It's you I adore. You took me to see Versailles in the middle of July. I'm falling to the deep end, giving into my feelings. Afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow. My knees on the I'm begging for more. It's you I adore.
I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna
And you got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I'm stuck here like glue. You keep me on a loop. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I'm stuck here like glue. You keep me on loop. I used to respect you, thought I was enough. Yeah, feels like half a century ago. Guess you keep coming back after telling me off, without even feeling sorry between goodbye and hello again. Thought we could grow again, how about no again, again and again. I'm trying to tell you we can't be friends, struggling to comprehend that we broke up and ended again and again and again and again. Busier and busier, so disorientated. First you want me, then you're busy, girl, it's not that complicated. Got me tied up in a leash and round and round and round, round. You got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I'm stuck here like glue. You keep me on a loop. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I'm stuck here like glue. You keep me on loop. Yeah, when you're high, you call me like a movie. Some kind of little toy for you to wind up when you're lying in bed and feeling lonely. I'm tired of being deployed like all I am to you is a pet. You think you own me? I'm nothing but a boy for you to wind up when you wanna pretend to get to know me. When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light. No. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Have to make it right. Oh yeah. There's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They've been piling up inside. Dropping, now inside this glow. Could this moment be meant to be? Lose the shadows and you'll see. Lose the shadows and be free. Like sunrise. Ain't gonna let it go. Let it go. No, there's no past, no tomorrow. You're lost in reflections. Dance with the starlight. You gotta be there. You gotta be. I want it closer. Bring me back like sunrise. You gotta be there. You gotta be there. I was trying to invade, but there were no walls to barricade. And there's no need to fight. No. I was driving deep within, but there were no race I had to win. Now that I found the light. Oh yeah. Here's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They've been piling up inside. Dropping, now inside this glow. Could this moment be meant to be? Lose the shadows and you'll see.
seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just a time, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season. Not so long, just a time, just like another season. Come my way this season. Promise you this, as long as you're looking, you'll see the signs. Just for a moment, a flash of light, you'll never forget. I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you. I finally see why all of me tears fall out of you. Can't escape from this pressure inside you. But tonight the stars align. When the cracks start to let your own light through, I'll be there to help you shine.
Thank you for watching, everyone. And if you have right now any question, you can ask it. Otherwise, I'm gonna leave the for today. Next week at the same time at 8 o'clock Tuesday, Europe time, Central Europe time, Vienna time, 8 o'clock. I'm gonna be always live and I teach you some new concepts, new ideas, and at the end of each education webinar or live we have session together, we trade at the end so you can learn how I trade as a professional one and how you can learn from me, and you can also have always the possibilities to ask you questions at the end. And thank you very much for watching and see you on the next Tuesday.